Girl Bella.
Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of my 5-day challenge with TreMonet. I'm going to show you how after 5 days, what I think about the product, what it's done for my skin, and all of the details for everything will be down in the description box below. So let me bring you guys in. So let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. As you can see underneath my eye, the discoloration is all but gone from underneath my eye. My pores feel very soft. They have gotten smaller and there's less texture right in here. Let me show you what I do again. So I have 5 pieces of the collection and I'm going to show you how I put all of them on. First and foremost, after cleansing, I do go in with the moisturizing toner. I put about 2 to 3 drops onto a cotton round and I just wipe it all across the face. So you're just sweeping it all across the face and it removes any dirt, oils, or debris that you may have had on your face. You can do this once or twice. Usually I don't have any debris left over from cleansing, so once is enough for me to sweep this all across the face. I use both sides and I'm done. So as you know, this product contains moringa extract and it has stem cells in it, so you're going to really feel the efficacy of this product once you put it on your skin. You're going to feel a little bit of tingling, maybe a little cooling sensation. That is fine. So after this step, I go in with my anti-aging serum, see, in the new bottle. And this also has the same products as the toner. I use 2 drops, rub it in between, and it has like this cooling gel that feels so amazing on the skin. And this is how I apply it on my forehead in an upward sweeping motion as well as onto the skin. And I really focus also on those parts of my skin where, like I said, I get a little bit of texture, which is right over here where my pores sometimes are enlarged, especially during this season when there's a lot of pollen in the air and there's lots of like hay fever, which I suffer from, which I suffer from a lot. So that's how I use the serum. And then I go in with the eye cream. This is also rejuvenating with stem cells, that moringa extract. And did I tell you this was developed by people who work at NASA? Wow. So I think out of all of the products, this one here is the most revolutionary in my mind and in my eyes, because I can see the difference underneath my eyes after 2 days of use of this product. It is absolutely amazing. Amazing. So I just pat that in using my ring fingers just to tap it in until all of the product has dissipated. You will feel like a little bit of stickiness. That is okay. So I do feel a little bit of tackiness, which is okay. Must mean that it's working, because my goodness, I'm so amazed at how quickly this product worked for me. And then I use the Essential Moisturizer. And this moisturizing cream, like all of the products, you don't need a whole lot. I use about this much, which probably is too much, but you know, I love to see my products on the skin. So I use about that much, and then I rub it in, upward circular motions, making sure all the areas of my face is covered. And then when I do the forehead, I also do the bridge of my nose as well. And just rub the product in until it is gone deep in my skin. And then lastly, I got this product about a couple of days into my doing the routine. This is the TreMonet Lightening Cream, and it doesn't lighten your skin at all. What it does is it brightens the skin, and I love the way this feels on the skin. It feels so good. It feels absolutely heavenly on the skin. It's almost like a silk glide, like silk is just being glided onto your skin. It's so soft. And again, I love the way it brightens the skin without changing the color of your skin. My skin looks brighter, looks healthier, looks clearer than it has been in a little bit. Now, you know, I have clear skin for the most part, but wow, I love the way this makes my skin look and feel. It's just fantastic. I will tell you a couple of things about the product. As I said before, when I mentioned it, when I first did it, first impressions, and I'll mention it again, it does have that cooling effect, and it does seep into your pores very deeply, and it moisturizes, it replenishes your skin. Your skin does not look dry or dehydrated or any of that. I will also say to make sure when you're using these products, you do use sunscreen right afterwards, especially during the daytime. Or it's just to protect your skin, which you do with any products that you use, whether it's this one or anything else. I do follow it up with some sunscreen afterwards. So the pieces that I think are very useful for your skin: the moisturizing toner, the anti-aging serum, which I use morning and night, same with the toner, the essential moisturizer, which I use morning and night, the under eye cream, which I'm now using morning and night, and the lightening cream, which I tend to use in the evening, not so much in the morning time, just because I think for the morning the moisturizer does what I need it to do. But at night, I love pairing these two together. I think they're awesome together. But you can use one versus the other. But I would say the lightening cream is probably best used at night. With everything, I do use a sunscreen if it's daytime, just like I do with any other products that I have. I go and use my sunscreen as the last step in any skincare regime that I do. All of the details about the prices will be in the description box below. And babes, because of the overwhelming support of part 1 of the TreMonet challenge. The company has graciously given me a 10% discount, which I can pass along to you. I will put the discount on the screen, and it will also be in the description box below. So the people at TreMonet have been gracious enough not only to provide the 10% discount code, but also to give away a couple of their products. So I have a few sample products that I want to give away. So in order to participate in the giveaway, you have to, 1, like this video, 2, comment about the video, and then at the end of the comment, put TreMonet and BGB. So TreMonet times BGB. No hashtag, just TreMonet times BGB. And I will choose 2 people from that to receive a special gift from TreMonet and myself. If you have any questions about this product or anything that you saw today, please leave them in the comment section below. And until next time, you have now been Bellafied.